Chalk Couture is the hottest DIY subscription package out there. Do you love DIY and crafting but don't have a lot of time to hit the craft store? Then Chalk Couture is perfect for you. Each month you get an exclusive stencil, ink or chalk paste to do the project, an embellishment or a surface. The stencils are reusable and can be used over and over again. Make it for yourself, make it for a friend. Change up the surface and make gifts. Treat yourself to an hour of creative bliss every month. Shipping's on us. It'll be delivered right to your doorstep. $21.99 in the US, $26.99 for Canada. Any questions? Comment club.